I'm Shane Suttles.
And I'm Austin Hand.
And this is our list for the most important facts we've learned in earth science.
So sit back, relax, and take a journey back through our top 20 list.
Starting out, we all wonder what this class was going to be about, but now we know it's about earth science.
So the first to 3 different subspecies.
This includes astronomy, the study of space.
Meteorology, the study of atmosphere around the Earth.
Oceanography, the study of oceans.
And finally, environmental science, which is the study of interactions of humans and their environment.
Number 2, which is definitely number 2 on our list, it is number 2 indeed of exciting facts we learned in earth science, is the geosphere, the rocky surface, and the subsurface.
The atmosphere, which is like a blanket of gas that surrounded our planet.
Well said, man. The hydrosphere, which includes all water on Earth. All of it!
And finally, the biosphere, which includes all living organisms.
Fact number 3 is something that people usually don't think about.
You're right, Shane. Before this class, I never knew that meandering streams move and bend with the velocity of the moving water and the amount of stream in the stream.
Fascinating!
And I bet you didn't know that fact number 4, that lakes form in many different ways, that depressions on land fill the water, like the lakes in Minnesota that were formed when the melting glacier.
Fact number 5 was that the caves are formed when groundwater dissolves limestone when the water table is lower and the caves fill with air. Rock is dissolved. Nature creates an underground maze of tunnels, passageways.
And a lot of what we have learned in earth science is how things are formed.
You're right, Austin. Except, did you know about fact number 6? Wells drilled inside the zone of saturation produced more water, but when overpumped, lowered the water table.
You're right, Shane. I never knew that before this year.
Have you ever wondered why you look at a map and it looks like the continents are puzzle pieces? Yay!
That's what fact number 7 covers. The continental drift, which is the concept that continents move around the Earth's surface. Scientists figured out this by matching coastlines, fossils, rocks, and glacial deposits.
Fact number 8 explains that this is possible because of the plate tectonics, which are huge pieces of the Earth crust and mantle that fit together and their edges to cover the Earth's surface, which is the surface of the Earth.
Fact 9, that there is 3 types of plate movements. Convergent boundaries, which come together, divergent boundaries, which move apart, and transform boundaries, which go side to side each other.
Number 10 is actually one of my favorites. It's about volcanoes and the 3 types of volcanoes: shield, composite, and cylinder cones. That sounds cool.
Include a vent, magma chamber, crater, and caldera. Hey, that's fact number 11. We are more than halfway finished with our video.
Yeah, and like fact number 12, I didn't even know that there were more than 1 types of magma.
Most earthquakes are caused by movements along faults. A fault is a fracture or system of fractures in which the earth moves.
When an earthquake occurs, it creates waves called seismic waves. There are 3 types of these waves: primary, secondary, and surface waves.
That's pretty earth-shattering, don't you think?
Totally pro.
Fact number 15 takes us to our natural resources.
The sun is the resource of the most energy on Earth.
Wow, that's a hot fact.
And fossil fuels are formed from organisms that lived millions of years ago.
So fact number 17, surface features on the moon include Highland, Maria, Ejecta, rays, and reels.
Fact number 18 is that solar and lunar eclipse occur when the sunlight is blocked.
No one will ever forget our commercial about traveling to the different planets.
Yeah, we rock that one.
Fact number 19 on our list of things we've learned is the inner planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
And our outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But not Pluto. It's a dwarf planet.
Poor Pluto. I feel sorry for it.
And finally, the last fact, which is the very hot and might add is the most of the mass in our solar system, is the sun.